If you felt dazed after a relationship, like your reality got rewritten, this episode is for you. Today, we're decoding narcissistic personality disorder and the modern manipulation tactics trending in 2025. Love bombing, gaslighting, trauma bonds, future faking, and more. Stick around till the end for a 30-second red flag checklist and a 3-step escape plan. What is NPD? Narcissistic personality disorder is a long-term pattern of grandiosity, constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy. It's not just being self-centered or confident. It's a rigid personality style that causes real harm in relationships, work, and family life. Remember, not everyone who acts selfish is a narcissist, and only a qualified professional can diagnose NPD. Quick clarity: NPD can show up loudly, grandiose, or quietly, covert or vulnerable. Grandiose narcissists look bold and entitled. Covert narcissists look sensitive, self-pitying, and passive-aggressive. Different masks, same playbook. Why it feels so confusing? Narcissists are expert image managers. At first, you'll see love bombing, overwhelming affection, gifts, and constant texts. Mirroring. They copy your interests and values to seem like a soulmate. Future faking. Big promises about trips, marriage, or business plans with no follow-through. Once you're invested, the script flips. Gaslighting. You're told your memory is wrong or you're too sensitive. Intermittent reinforcement. Random affection mixed with coldness. Addictive like a slot machine. DARVO. Deny, attack, reverse victim and offender. They hurt you, then claim you're the abuser. Silent treatment or stonewalling. Used to punish and control. This cycle forges a trauma bond. Your nervous system starts linking relief to the very person causing the chaos.
The 10 red flags. 1. Everything is a performance. Exaggerated achievements, name-dropping, or humble bragging. 2. Fast-forward romance. Intense intimacy and rushed commitments. 3. Allergic to accountability. They never apologize without a but. 4. Empathy deficit. Your feelings are minimized or mocked. 5. Jealousy plus control. Checking your phone, isolating you from friends or family. 6. Double standards. Rules for you, freedom for them. 7. History of crazy exes. Everyone before you was unstable. 8. Financial or status exploitation. You're a prop, not a partner. 9. Rage or victim mode when criticized. Explosive anger or dramatic self-pity. 10. Post-breakup hoovering. Sudden, sweet messages to suck you back in when they sense you're healing. Pro tip: red flags are about patterns over time, not one bad day. Covert versus grandiose. Grandiose narcissist, loud confidence, entitlement, public put-downs, overt manipulation. Covert or vulnerable narcissist, fragile self-image, self-pity, quiet envy, victim storytelling, backhanded compliments, and subtle sabotage. Both crave admiration and control, both lack genuine empathy. The delivery is different, the impact on you is the same.
Text and DM red flag scripts. Future faker. We're soulmates. Let's move in next month. I've never felt this way. Gaslighter. You're imagining things. You always overreact. Hooverer. I've changed. You're the only one who ever understood me. Guilt trip artist. After all I've done, this is how you treat me? Smear campaign starter. Vague posts and stories aimed at you. If you see these lines repeatedly, press pause and reassess. Don't confuse these. ADHD and RSD versus NPD. Rejection-sensitive dysphoria shows intense reactions to criticism, but doesn't include the patterned exploitation seen in NPD. Bipolar mania versus NPD. Mania can look like grandiosity. NPD is a stable pattern across contexts. Healthy narcissism, self-respect, ambition, versus pathological narcissism, exploitation, entitlement, and no empathy. When in doubt, look for long-term patterns, impact on others, and willingness to take responsibility. 3-step boundary plan. Name the pattern. When you insult me and later say I'm too sensitive, that's gaslighting. Set the rule. I won't continue this conversation if you shout or call me names. Enforce it. If the behavior repeats, exit. Block if necessary. Gray rock for low-contact situations, shared kids or work. Be brief, boring, and consistent. No contact is best for safety and recovery. Document everything if there's legal or workplace risk. If you feel unsafe, reach out to local resources, a trusted friend, or professional help immediately. Healing after narcissistic abuse. Detox your nervous system. Sleep, nutrition, consistent routines. Reality re-anchoring. Write what actually happened. Share with a therapist or support group. Rebuild identity. Hobbies, skills, micro wins, and friendships that predate the relationship. Learn secure attachment. Therapy modalities like CBT, DBT-informed skills, and trauma-focused treatments can help. Digital hygiene. Unfollow, block, stop doom scrolling their content. You're not too sensitive. You were systematically sensitized. Healing is possible. 30-second red flag checklist. Do they rush intimacy and overpromise? Do they flip the script when confronted? Do you constantly second-guess your memory? Are you walking on eggshells? Is the relationship all take, no give? If 3+ are yes, step back and get support. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs the clarity. Comment red flags if you want my printable boundary scripts and a trauma bond breaker routine. New videos weekly on toxic relationships, attachment styles, and healing strategies.